Hello guys, kamusta? How are you? Kamusta, Catherine Joy? Miss you. Shout out. Hello. Hi Sheena. Hi Jana. Hello Roel. Kamusta po? Kamusta po kayo? Kumain na po ba kayo? Hello. Hi Basta, kamusta po? Kamusta? Kamusta po? Let's work. Let's reply to emails, guys. Chill lang muna ako ngayon dito sa kwarto. And, yeah. Kumain na ba kayo? Hi Carlo, andyan pa po. Yes, hindi ko pa dating. Ano? Hindi natin tatanggalin yan. Ayun. But sad, hindi, ano lang, nag-ipon lang ng lakas, guys. Mamaya, makulit-ulit tayo sa live, pero chill lang muna. Kumain na? Yes, I did. Kaninang breakfast. Kumain ako nung Healthy Food Manila. Yung keto diet. Pero hindi ko siya naubos. Pero masarap siya. Ele! Kamusta kayo guys? Brand ng shirt. This is from Uniqlo. This is old. Medyo pawis siya. Kasama ka, yes. Kailan? I think that's tomorrow ba? Tomorrow or Sunday? Yeah. Fave shirt. Tanghalian, hindi pa. Probably, I'll eat dinner na. I'll skip lunch. Kasi, trying to be in a calorie deficit. So, yan. Kala ko, hindi, magla-live ako, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Babalik ako guys, 2 days. Where's Ellie? Ellie's chilling sa sofa. Hindi ka ata, sakto lang. Sakto lang po. Tomorrow na pala yun. Yes, kasama ko sa Lux for tomorrow event. Yeah. Kamusta po? Kamusta kayo guys? Kumain na ba kayo? Yes, kanina umaga. Kamusta kayo guys? Puro kamustahan na lang ha. Yes. Wala kang ganap. Punta lang ako ng soft opening ng friend ng bar na may-ari, friend ko. So I'm gonna have to go there. Pauling mamaya pang gabi. So ngayon, chill lang muna. Wala akong gagawin so far. Probably mag-reply sa mga tao. Chaperone. Oh, have you watched their Chaperone's Grammy's performance? Wow. Grabe mga artists ngayon, no? This era. I think peak ng music last year, I would say, for the new artists. Sobrang daming talented na artists. Lalo na sa female, yung nag-shine. Am I? I think so. I love FK Twigs. And I love her aesthetic din. Napasok, wala pa po. Wala pa. Miss you, Rainy. Kamusta ka na? Chill lang ako guys chill lang tayo dito sa live. Medyo wala tayong gagawin. Okay po ba yun? Yes, I'm still in touch with them. I'm still friends with Team Pardagulan po. Sige, after Pink Pony Club, let's play that music mix. Hi CJ, how are you? Kamusta po? Cutie na ilaw. I got this from IKEA. I just got a new couch, guys. I'm so excited. I'm just so happy with my purchase. Kasi this couch is my dream couch. I've been wanting to buy this since parang 3 years ago pa, but finally got it. Got it now. Got it this week. So yeah, I'm gonna see a lot of photos here. for the next few posts. Looks like ito na iba to ng kulay. I can change these colors kaso naka-preset siya ngayon sa purple. Looks like it's purple. It's lavender. Lavender fields. Couch from this. Order this from Instagram. Undo Home Furniture. So we got this from Undo Home. Take a closer look, guys. Closer look. Got this look. This is my couch. This is Ellie. Hi Ellie. How are you? Yun lang. Wanna see my bed? It's where the magic happens. Joke lang. Yeah. I'm not selling the sofas. I bought the sofa. Just bought the sofa. Have I watched? Yes. Nung bata ako, I think. Mga snippets, mga episodes. Kasama nila ate. Ate ko sa bahay. Magic, cause I play games there. So, maraming mga magic, mga mages. Naglalaro kasi ako dyan ng mga different games. Or watch movies. You know, alam yun na yun, basic lang yun. Mga G-Shock characters. Nagpa-color analysis, hindi pa. I have plans eh. Gusto ko nga magpa-color analysis eh. Saan kaya, may alam ba kayo dito sa Pinas? Kasi piniisip ko sa pag magko-Korea na lang ako, pero parang matagal pa ako bago mag-South Korea eh. Yes, yung parang it's a formal event. This pink looks good on me ba? I think yung color ko, may colorway when it comes to sa mga colors. I think it's blue and I think it's blue. Blue, yung parang yung kay cerulean blue, yung parang kay Pia Wurtzbach. Feeling ko color ko siya. What do you think? Maputi ako, hindi, moreno ako guys, moreno ako. 4, 5. Cool tone, ano ba ako? Cool, kayo nga mag-analyze sa akin, ano ba? Cool tone or warm tone ako? Moreno. Baka light skin moreno. Light skin. Pero moreno ako guys. 110%. Kasi purong Pinoy. Ay, color. Pupunta pa ako ng Cebu. Cool tone ka. What does cool tone means? Ibig sabihin, anong mga bagay na kulay pag cool tone? Angge. Totoo ba yan? Dark colors. Okay. Cool tone. Colors. Best for cool tone skin. Best colors for cool toned skin. Tayo. Excuse me. Oh. Pag cool tone, mga blue. May blue. Ay, Agnes, kumusta? Nasa Team Bardo pa naman ako. Ano lang, I'm just really not active, you know. Alam niyo naman, kilala niyo naman ako, guys. Punta ka, yes, I'll go sa Lux. Lux tomorrow. Payat ko, that's the goal. That's the goal. Nanaba kasi ako nung December, guys, di ba? Napansin niyo, nanaba ako nung first January, first few weeks of January. Uy, thank you, Bayani. Bayani, salamat. Yeah. Importante, healthy. Ang cute mo. Lagi akong kinu-call out, mukha daw akong Pokemon. Naba ako kasi nanaba sa akin yung pisngi, so naging kamukha ko daw si Pikachu. Did I just came back on TikTok? Always here on TikTok, guys. Nagtatago. Yeah. So, I'll be posting soon, guys. Punta, yes, I will. Uy, thank you, Bayani. Salamat sa I love you. Wala ka ng data, magpa-data ka ulit. Live pa tayo. Boy version ni Andrea. Kumuha ko pa siya. Mukha mo yung jowa. Dreams mo, baka maging dream come true yan. How long is my keto program? So far, I've been on my 4th or 3rd month with keto, with my keto diet sa Healthy Food Manila. So, yun po. You just broke up with your boyfriend. Hugs, Bayani. Kain ka na. Maya-maya. Probably maya-maya. Mga hapon na. Anong ginagawa niyo? Wala pa kayong pasok, guys. Or tambay lang kayo sa hug sa liig. No, sick leave ka? May sakit ka? Ano? Working at home. Nice. Kaka-opera lang sa appendicitis. Get well soon. Kakanood lang. Uy, day off. Sarap yan. Ang plano nyo mamaya? Ang plano mo, stay ka lang bahay. Hi, Vinci. Kamusta, Vinci? Uy! Hi Dumpy. Tambay lang kayo guys kasi parehas tayong tambay ngayon. Parehas tayong tambay. Hi El. Baking fondant cakes. Wow, fondant. Ano pong question niyo po? Lately, ano guys pinapanood nyo na series? May pinapanood ba kayong bago? Guys, I have a dilemma. I can't find my eyeglasses. Diba ka, nung last live ko, I'm wearing my eyeglasses. Ngayon, hindi ko na siya makita. Nasaan si Fiang? Hindi ko alam. Inupuan ko ang chat ng section E. Ay, nasa Netflix ba yun? Study group. I've been watching that. Yung K-drama study group. It's nice. I like it. I think I'm on episode 3. Study group. Well, it's based from a manhwa. Is it okay? Okay naman. I think it's your own preference and how would you take it. Kasi as long as there's respect and you've met that person naman and hasn't been doing it, I think that's kanya-kanyang preference now when it comes to dating. But sa akin, I don't mind. Trauma Code. Ooh. Paradise. Disney Plus. Reverie. Saan ba yung Reverie? Saan yung Reverie? Reverie? Saan yung Reverie? Incognito, yun, kay Maris. Maganda nga. Mukha siyang maganda. Hi Aya, kamusta ka na? Hi Kinsay siblings. How are you guys? Oh, saan yun? Hindi ko na maalala yun. Hello po. Ako naman, okay naman po. Happy. Are you happy guys? Or are you sad? Or are you in between? Happy na. Ba't ka sad? Kasi nakita nyo. What if? Yes, mag-update po tayo sa IG. Hi, Kat S. Wala si Chacha. Wala ba si Chacha ngayon? Asa si Chacha? What's the meaning of TMI po? Too much information. bumabiyahe. Ingat po sa biyahe. Antok ka pa? Hindi naman. Medyo kompleto naman tulog ko. Si Chai yung bumabiyahe. Ingat siya ka mo. Huwag siyang maliligaw. China oil. Baka maban ako sa TikTok eh. Meron pa guys. Hi, Bullock host. Oh, hi, Bullock Carl. How are you, Bullock Carl? Kamusta po? Miss you. I miss you, GGA. Ano? Kailan birthday ko? Birthday will be 23 days from now. So, hulaan nyo na lang. Ay, 22 days. No pala, 21. 21 days from now. Nagpadala ka ng gifts. Para wala pa akong na-receive ng gift. Saan ba? Sa Cornerstone office ba? March 1. Wow, galing. Yes. March. I'm a Pisces. Saan ba tayo guys? Anong regalo niyo sa akin? Do you use lip balm? Not every day. Parang pag pag natitripan ko lang. Lately Secret? That's secret, Carlo. Pa-secret diba? Wala bro. Love and prayers. Oh, that's nice. I love it. Sa Fine Dining Restaurant, G. Ano pong brand na lip balm? I've been using Rhode. It's nice. I like the peptide treatment ng Rhode. So, I've been using that. Balat mo na lang sa sarili mo. Pwede ba yun sa packaging? Invite ko naman pare. Invited kayong lahat guys. Papapiesta tayo. Hi Alice 10, kamusta po? Hi Joshua! Kailan ka pasyal Ilocos Sur? Hindi ko pa po alam. Tagal ko nang parang pumunta ng Ilocos. I think that was like 8 years ago. Mga 8 years. So, nag-gym ka pa? Hindi na. Try ko mag-gym, Someone calling. Akala ko kasama, hindi kami natuloy. Love my shirt. This is basic plain pink color. Plain shirt and pink color. It's from Uniqlo. Gusto mo ba siya, Chacha? Charge my phone. So baka ma-dead pa tayo. Touch my head? I don't have to touch my head. Miss ko silang lahat. Miss ko po silang lahat. Any plans on Valentine's? We're gonna make a plan. Wala pa so far. Pwede ba magpa-fake? Oo naman. Yes na yes. Dream country to travel. Ano po siya? Dream country. I think say Switzerland. Switzerland. Yeah. Switzerland, and I'd say any parts in Europe is a dream sa akin. Any country. I wanna go to Saint-Tropez, Santorini, kasama din. Basta sa Europe. Anong pinagkakabisihan ko? Pinagkakabisihan ko po ang aking sarili. Yes. Oh, you went to Switzerland. Wow. Tara na. Where's my Togo chair? This is a Simone couch. Yung isa Togo, the black one. Fave song? I'd say yung any Doechii songs dun sa album niya. I like all her songs dun kasi may story, may lore siya dun, and I like it. Gusto ko yung branding niya ngayon kay Doechii. Before pa siya sumikat, I've been listening to her newest album. Charis lang. Charis lang pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me, Bob. Excuse me. Gusto ko ng empanada. Yes. Empanada. Mamacita. I also like Tate McCurry. na. Hi Art, kamusta ka na? Ano po ang undertone ko? I don't know. Yes, of course. GFN. Ano po sa gupit tawag nyo? I don't know. I just had down perm sa gilid. Pagupit ako sa Juno sa Korea, sa BGC. Juno hairstyle in BGC. So, yun. Hi, shout out Buki. What's my Dio? I'm using yung ano lang from the convenience store. Tawag yun. Old Spice. Yes. Miss you so much, Toby. Kamusta ka na? Kamusta po? Kamusta? Hi, Miss Jonah. How are you? How are you, Estela? Hello po, Skiff. Miss you, Ty. I miss you too. Hindi pa po ako toy. Chakla. Jokers only. Miss ko na, yes. Miss ko na siya. Miss ko na silang lahat. Hi Shane, how are you? Miss ko kayong lahat, guys. Candice, thank you so much. Thank you, maraming salamat, Candice. Wow, marami pong salamat. I love you. I love you. May pambayad na ako ng tubig, guys. Alam nyo ba yung tubig ko? Hindi ko alam ba't naging 7K. 7K tubig. Ano yun? Alkaline? May gulay. Paano naging 7K yung tubig, ha? Inirereklamo ko. Take video, guys. $7,000. Mahal. Kaya parang buong ano na namin, buong condo na yun, ah. Ay nako, Day. Ay nako, Inday, mama mo. Pambayad na ako ng tubig. May swimming pool. Wala nga, gripo nga lang ako eh. One month? I don't know. So, tatanungin ko pa ba't naging ganun. Kasi ba dapat 400 pesos lang yun? Mga 400, 300 pesos. Minsan nga, hindi na nga ako naliligo eh. So, si Fiang andito. Nasa CR. Nakiihi lang siya mamaya. Nakikiihi. Thank you, Babak. Marami pong salamat. How's life? Life is okay. Hindi ka pa malolos. Paminsan-minsan, guys. Labas, loko nga. Hindi mo siya makikita. Haha. Haha. Kala nyo makikita nyo siya. No way, Japito. No way. Wala nang idol nyo. Hi Jana, good luck Clay sa exam. Good luck at galingan nyo po. Ilabas ko, ayoko. Kulit kayo ha. Binigil nyo ako ha. Maganda sa iyo. Okay, wag yan. Next time na lang yan. Hanap tayo ng iba. Kisha may. Hello po, Shai. How are you? How are you doing?
pogi. Grabe naman sa poginess.
Thank you, Prince. Marami pong salamat. Relapse? Patay. Oh no. Ako hindi na ako mag-relapse. Relapse sa atin. The Pink Pony Club si the next music. Ay, may honor. Congrats sa'yo. Saan tayo ngayon? Congrats sa'yo, ha? Proud of you, bro. Sino senators ko? Kilala niyo na. Secret. Sabihan ko yan. Sabihin ko next live. Hello, Jam. How are you, Jam? Pag mag-reader, sige. Maya. Tinatamad ako mag-type eh. Bamkigo? What? Tinatamad ako magpipindot kasi layo ko sa screen. Tsaka baka magalaw eh, wala akong stand, so nakapatong lang siya sa damit. Pag ginalaw-galaw ko siya, babagsak siya. Yes, I'm 100% in favor. Hi, Japas. Kamusta po, Japas? Reasoning skills. Totoo naman kasi. Hi, Joella. How are you? One era hits diff. Di pwede. Di na pwede yun, guys. Kachi, I love you. Wala ka sa good gang. I wasn't able to go, guys. Supposedly, I was supposed to go there, sell my clothes, pero hindi na naman ako natuloy. Hi, Kim. Kamusta ka na, Kim? I'll end 3:30, guys. What's my plan? My plan is planless. Here is different. Wala po akong pasok. Wala tayong pasok. Yes. Okay pa nagbenga season. Yes. I miss you, Jemima. Diyos mo po. Hi, Aaron. Ang ikilig. Nakangiti lang ako, guys. Nakangiti lang ako. Hi, be. How are you, be? Love you guys. Naghahanap sa akin. Sino? Dito ba si Maui? Merienda muna. Hindi pa ako nagugutom eh. Ano po ng brand ng shirt ko? Uniqlo. Sarap yung food sa Chili's. Yes. Cha-cha. Asan si Cha-cha? Cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha. Ate Rhea. Hi, Dowie. How are you? Thank you, Princess Monica. Salamat po. Gasp. Isa pong shout out. Shout out sa'yo, Monica. What's my waistline? I feel like maliit waistline ko eh. It's not a flex pero parang hindi siya normal kasi parang 29, 28, mga ganun. Nag-cry, nagpunasya po ako ilong kasi may allergic rhinitis ako. A freak. Activity. Hindi parang yung ano yun, inactivity. So yun, may yung TikTok inactivity ako. What size are you in tops? Large, I'd say, mga large. Love oversize. Uy na po. Music. Habang gusto ng music. Gusto ko ng caramel cake. Or mga tres leches. Mga anything. Parang mga ganun. Miss kita. Yes, Jana. Miss kita. Hello, UK. How are you? Yes, dito mo si Ellie. Hala, ang cute ni Ellie. Ang cute mo naman. Oh. Tres leches. Masarap, diba? Malabo ba ako or sakto lang? Parang namumuti mo ako. Or sa, I think sa lighting lang siya. Sakto. Sakto. Thank you, Monica. Kakakilig naman. Annalisa, miss you. Where's the, what do you mean? Baka ba akong panda? Isa ba akong panda? Pandalicious. I miss you guys. Hi Josh, how are you?
Hi, Christina.
Thank you, Monica. I love you. Hi, Angel. How are you? Annalisa, I miss you too. Thank you, Lay. Bye-bye. Alis ka na. Wala nang thirst trap, guys. May cherish na. Papasuggest ng horror movie. I like Heretic. I also like... It's not a horror. It's kind of a thriller. Yung... Damn, I forgot the movie name. Basta, yun na yun. Alam niyo na yun. Ha? Suggest a book to read. I haven't been reading books lately so wala akong masasuggest. I took a gap year guys, so I'm currently on pause. Yes. Happy New Year. Hi Nicolas ba? How are you? Happy Valentine's po. Minutes. Hi Charles. Hello, Lola. Ikaw ba yan, Kim Possible? What will I do after live? I'll do something. Miss you. Miss you too. I love you, Miles. Chill lang. It's just a random playlist, guys. I don't have an actual playlist. Hindi na ako na-update. Salamat, Princess Monica. You're a princess. You're a real princess. Oh, the Pink Pony Club. Yeah. Tagal na. Have you watched the Pink Pony Club sa Grammys? What's your most favorite performance sa Grammys? Oh, I think I'd say yung kay Doechii tapos kay Charlie. Parang yun yung highlight ng Grammys. Where's Mahalat? Where's what? Yes, Doechii. Wala pa ding broadcast channel. I can't create. Hindi ko alam. I think it's an Instagram problem. Ria Arjadon. Oh, I like the message of this music. Kasi yung Pink Pony Club, it's basically like parang discovering who you are, despite other people's opinions. Bye-bye. Chill lang naman ako dito. Oh. Kailan? Soonest guys. Hi Ashlyn, how are you Ashlyn? Shout out sa'yo Ortiz. Ellis chillin. What's my ganap? I don't know yet. I was surprised when, yeah. Kaya nga, she's favorite, ano yan? Ano sinabi niya? Sa lyrics? Favorite artist of your favorite artist. She's a favorite artist of your favorite artist. Ha 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 ha. Pickleball. I wanna play pickleball. Hi Kim. How are you? Hi engineer. Hello Josh. How are you Josh? Hi love. Hi Chos. Recommend mo magandang ano, I'm not good in haircuts guys. To be honest, I really have a fuck up haircut or parang hair type. Medyo buhag-hag yung buhok ko eh. Para siyang hay, so it's really hard to style my hair. And basta mahirap tong ayusin, like lagi siyang buhag-hag. But I make ways para i-style, but it's hard to style it. Hi Bebe de los Santos. Hi Nile. Hi Erica. Haircut. Wala, nagpa ano lang ako, pakita lang ako ng pic, parang pic, tapos sila nagupit. Feeling ko I'm not a hair inspo guys. Don't follow my hair cause it's not good. I'd say. Hi Mod. Looks good. I don't know. Hi Mark Junto. Hi Larish, kamusta po? Kahit kalbo pa ako, pogi pa rin ba? Puro pogi na lang. Wala na bang iba? Do you think Beyonce deserves to win the Artist of the Year? Oh guys, 3:30 na. I'm gonna have to say bye-bye. Thank you for the live. Till next time po. Try kong mag-live ulit if wala akong gagawin, pero yeah. Bye-bye. See you soon. Nest. And I love you guys and hope to see you again. And ingat po kayo lagi. And bye-bye ulit. Bye-bye.